Hey guys, how are you today and welcome to my channel. Last month I read an article. That article talks about why there's liquid water in Sodus although the temperature there is nearly negative 200 Celsius. Wow, this is amazing, right? Liquid water temperature is negative 200 Celsius. Wow. Okay, whatever. The article is published on Flipboard by NASA. Okay, and Enceladus is one of Saturn's moon. And of course, the liquid water exists also on Mars and Pluto. Wow, this is great. Now, if you want to know the answer, let's get started. Now, first of all, if you ask your father or your mother or your friend, if you need a liquid water, what is the first thing that you will think about? Of course you'll think about the temperature, right? Because the liquid water exists between 0 Celsius and 100 Celsius. But this is incorrect. Why? Let's get started. Now, imagine that you are in Latakia or in Hawaii, or anywhere you want, but you are at the sea level. You are at the sea level. You get the idea? Now, the atmosphere pressure in that case is normal. So the liquid water exists between 0 Celsius and 100 Celsius. And well, the water freezes at 0 Celsius and boils at 100 Celsius. This is good, right? Now, imagine that you are in Himalaya, for example. We are now 8 kilometers above the sea level. Of course, the atmosphere pressure in that area, or in that case, is lower than the atmosphere pressure in Hawaii or Latakia or at the sea level. You got the idea? So, in that case, the water will freeze, for example, at negative 20 Celsius, and it will boil at, for example, 70 Celsius. It's amazing, right? So Atmosphere pressure is very necessary to have a liquid water, right? Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is what water contains. Yup. Now, imagine that you are now in Hawaii. Let's go back to Hawaii or Latakia or anywhere you want, but you are at the sea level, okay? And you have a bowl full of water, and you add some salt to that water, okay? And you put this bowl inside the freezer, and the temperature inside that freezer is 0 Celsius. You can wait 1 day, 2 days, 1 century, whatever. When you get out this bowl, you will find the water still liquid. It's not solid or ice, no, it's still liquid water. It's amazing, right? It's still liquid, it's not ice or something like that, although the temperature was 0 Celsius. Why? Of course, because you add salt to that water. In that case, if you add salt to the water freezes at negative 18 Celsius, and that's what we call Fahrenheit. You got the idea? So, when you need or when you want liquid water, you need 3 things, and they are very important, and they are temperature, atmosphere pressure. The last one is what water contains. Thank you for watching.